Did you know that with proper PC maintenance, you can help prevent hardware failures, increase performance, and extend the lifespan of your computer? Well, in this video, I'm going to talk about 5 easy ways that can help maintain your PC hardware running smoothly to prolong its life. Now, let's get to the video. Number 1, keep your computer clean. And by clean, I mean from dust and dirt that accumulates inside your computer, clogging fans and causing overheating. Do this periodically, especially if you have 4-legged friends in the house or if your PC tower sits on the floor or on a carpet. It's important to keep your computer clean, both inside and outside. Use a compressed air or an air duster like this one to blow out any dust or debris from the inside of your computer, and wipe down the exterior with a soft cloth. If it's really dusty, take it outside for cleaning and wear a mask so you don't breathe any of that. Number 2, check your hardware components regularly. By doing so, it will ensure that it's working properly. Check for loose connections, damaged cables, or any signs of wear and tear. You can also run diagnostic tools to check the health of your hard drive and memory. Number 3, update your drivers and firmware. Keeping your drivers and firmware up to date is essential for optimal performance and to prevent hardware failures. Check for updates regularly and install them as soon as they become available. You can set these parameters to run automatically if you choose to do so. Number 4, monitor your computer's temperature. Overheating is a common cause of hardware failure. Monitor your computer's temperature using software tools and make sure that it stays within the safe limits. If your computer is running too hot, consider upgrading your cooling system or cleaning your computer as mentioned earlier. And number 5, use surge protectors and uninterruptible power supplies or UPS. Electrical surges and power outages can damage your computer's hardware. To protect your computer, use surge protectors and UPS to prevent damage from voltage spikes and ensure that your computer doesn't lose power unexpectedly. And as a pro tip, always back up your data to an external storage device to keep your data safe in case of a computer failure. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video as I enjoyed making it. Remember, proper maintenance can help prevent hardware failures, increase performance, and extend the life of your computer. Thank you for watching, and be well.